Good evening all, MacBlogs here, aka Ian. Yes, another hotel, back in hotels again, but something different. This is my very first time bringing a review, kind of a review, but a tour of a Premier Inn. And I have stayed in Premier Inns before, but I haven't brought a Premier Inn hotel, believe it or not, with the hundreds of hotels, reviews and whatnot, videos I have done. So this is our first. This is Glasgow East it comes under, so Premier Inn Glasgow East. If you are local to the area or know the area, it is just where the old Glasgow Zoo used to be, just next to that. So that's where I am today. This is, I'm going to obviously go through it all, show you what's here in this room. This is a double room. I booked like a non-flex rate, it's called. So basically I had to pay at the time of booking in full and there was no refunds. So I would never get that money back, and that was the cheapest option, and that was £92 for one night. And it was more expensive if you wanted to have the free cancellation period. I think it was like until 1 PM the day of your arrival. In case you couldn't make it, you could cancel. So that was £100 odd, just 110 or something maybe, I think. I'm not too sure. But yeah, I will put all the information down below in the description of where I am. But let's have a look around the room. And as always, I'm going to start at the front door. Basic stuff. I mean, there is a decent size as soon as you walk in a hallway to put any bags and shopping, that kind of thing, just in this area here. But as you walk in, you do have the option to get your room cleaned or to catch up on your beauty sleep. Make sure you put your card in there to get the power for the room. There's a mirror here, not a full height mirror, it's quite narrow as well, but you got a mirror there, some hooks, coat hooks, and then you have this open wardrobe as such, but it's got kind of everything on it. To me it is pretty old school, dated a little bit, starting to feel a little bit dated in this room was my first impression. Now bearing in mind the price as well and the rooms and hotels that I've done before when we go through this room. So mirror, got some lights there on the mirror, and you have your hair dryer, you have a socket there as well, spare socket that you can use, area here to put whichever you wish. Drawer, hanging space with 3 hangers, shelf, 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 bin. Here you have your kettle, glasses, mugs, and then some milks, sugars, coffees, teas. Yep. And a bottle opener as well. A bottle opener there. A general overview of the room itself. Like I say, to me it feels dated, which is a shame. There's a few things I'm not too sure what's going on, and I'll cover that in a moment. Well, the light for example, I couldn't find a light switch to turn that light on. That one's on. I've tried different switches, so maybe I'm doing something wrong, I'm not sure. But got a table here, got lamp, fan, comes in handy, You know, the summer that we have here sometimes. The heater has had better days. I think that needs replaced, let's be honest. So yeah, that's not great. The view we'll have a look at in a moment. You've got this kind of like couch bed thing, so you can lie there of course as well, but also sit there, lie there, relax next to the view. Your basic table there, your bedside table. Yes. One single socket there, and then light switches, so one turns off that main light I was talking about, and then the other one turns off the bedside lamp light. So there's no USB points in this room at all, so no USB, I've not seen any. This little shelf, like a mini shelf, took it in there, and I don't think there's any charging there, so just one charging point, plug-in charging point next to the bed, which is very unusual in this day and age for hotel rooms. You've got a canvas there of flowers, thermostat, and then the bathroom. Now it is a bathroom, it has a bath, it also has another bath shower, and this is really basic. You look at, that's going to be patched up or peeled off, I'm not sure what's going on there. But yeah, it's very basic doors. So over shower, bath, again very basic. Towel wise, yeah, not a generic towel, bit rough. Yeah, all this standard stuff, so coast toilet, wash hand basin. You have luxury hand wash with vitamin E, very handy. Then also some more vitamin E, luxury hair and body wash. A very big mirror, I'm going to get out of the way because that's me. But yeah, that's good size mirror. A bin there as well. Yeah, don't think I've missed anything. Little hook at the back of the door. Yeah, it's a bit rough and ready. There's a few dents and dinks that I'm seeing around. A bit of decoration. Not quite finished and scuffed. Put this light back on just now. Where's the light? Here's the light. But yeah, there is space, I think, some space. What do we have there? Is that spare pillows? I think so. So that's, what is it? Oh. Very hard to get out. So that looks like another duvet. That's another duvet. Are we going to have any other pillows? Don't know. What's this here? What is this? What is that contraption? Oh. So does that slide out for another bed? I think it does. So that's unusual. So yeah, it looks like another bed. Not seen that before. Oh, right. I think my battery is going to die, so see you soon. And I'm back. So apologies for that. But yeah, I'm going to turn myself around. I'm going to have a look at the view in a moment, don't worry, just behind me. I'm not impressed. For the price you pay, and you're not that far really into Glasgow, but it's convenience probably, you're probably paying for convenience. You're right next to the M74, basically you can just, you're right on it, you can join right on to M74, and you're obviously closer to Glasgow, but you can also get to Edinburgh and beyond, Carlisle, stuff like that. I don't know what to think. I think it is purely convenience. You've also got the Beefeater, the food, the restaurant, which is basically attached to the hotel. I'll try and put some clips of the outside so you know what I mean by that. So when you're looking at the hotel, you've got the hotel access to the right hand side, and then you've got the Beefeater, the restaurant, to the left hand side. But yeah, it's a shame because Premier Inns seem to be all different, and Premier Inns usually is a very, very good product. This is my current view. So yeah, that's the road. That's not the M74. That's just the road before that. So, but yeah, right next to the M74, the motorway. But yeah, it just seems very, very old school. Drop the camera out the window, that would have been good. If I did, I would have kept that in. But yeah, so desk, double socket, and sockets. There's the Beefeater that I was talking about, the restaurant. I will scan this so you can, there's the QR code. If you want to scan that, that brings up the menu, and I can scan this as well, and you can have a look at this if you want to pause the video. Now I have eaten here before at the Beefeater, and it is very, very good, so I would always recommend a Beefeater, and I've ate this one as well, so it is very, very, very good. I always enjoy going there. Great value for money and very nice food. So, don't know what else I can tell you apart from that's really it. That's all I can show you. Very purple as well. The colour scheme is very purple. The TV, of course, how can I forget about that? I always forget about the TV. Sometimes when I'm travelling I just forget that the TV's there all the time. It's just I'm always on the go and I end up just falling asleep. So sometimes I never even put the TV on. But yeah, that's really it. So hopefully that helps. I just want to try and get a few trips in, a few stays in to more Premier Inns, because I have stayed before. It's been a very, very long time because I have been staying at various hotels. If you follow me and watch my channel, you'll know that. But Premier Inn is a very good brand, very good hotel. The beds are very comfy. And this one here is showing 2 pillows, but I was trying to look under the bed. I can't see any other pillows. So yeah, 2 pillows. But yeah, that's really it. So if you follow me for a long time and you've been watching my videos previously, you know what's coming up this weekend. So if you follow me on social media, you subscribe to me, all that stuff. Then I have mentioned in previous videos where I'm going this weekend. This weekend I'm going to London, so I'm flying down to London City. So I'm leaving from Glasgow to London City Airport. I'm going to the Star Wars celebration, it's called. So it's like the biggest Star Wars celebration. It's going to be massive, it's going to be busy, it's going to be huge, lots of stars going there. Don't want to give too much away, but yeah, join me for that. If you are subscribed to me, you follow me, thank you for your support as always. If you're just new to my channel, then click subscribe, join the community, follow me on social media, all the links down below. And yeah, I do a lot of stuff like travel, adventure, theme parks. Yeah, that's kind of what I do, that's what I enjoy, and I try and bring it to yourselves as well, so hopefully you enjoy this content. But on that note, hopefully you have enjoyed this quick tour and this review. Not quite a review, because it's just my opinion, some things, and it's not fair, it's just the experience, so it's not fair to give. It could be, another room could be great, over. I don't like giving that, but this is my experience here, kind of live, if you want to call it. I'm giving that feedback. So it's not a bad room, it's clean, so that's all I care about. As long as it's clean, it's very convenient, and you've got the restaurant next door, so a lot of good positives, a lot of good things there as well. So there's, yeah, it's not just about a light or pillows or decoration or paint, anything else. So as long as you've got clean, it's a comfy bed, location, all that stuff. One thing would be me, because electronics is, I've got a lot of that, so I'm obviously vlogging and got a lot of things to charge, like batteries and phone and battery packs and stuff like that, charging packs. So it would be good to have a kind of USB facility for that as well, because mainly a lot of things come with USB. Yeah, so that's the only thing for me, but everything else is pretty cool in regards to location and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully that has helped. Again, information down below in this hotel. Hopefully you enjoy the video, and join me for my future videos as well. Hope to see you then. Until then, bye bye.